The replacement of interbank offered rates is one of those projects that the board takes on to address something that's going on in the market. LIBOR is a very common market interest rate and it drives a lot of variable payments. So the issue we're facing right now is that LIBOR in its current form is not expected to exist after the end of 2021. So a lot of governments are in that tough spot of trying to figure out how they're going to replace LIBOR in contracts that extend beyond that date. So there are multiple components of the project, but governments most commonly have LIBOR exposure in derivatives. So probably the biggest thing we're proposing is an exception to hedge accounting termination. And that's because ordinarily, if you replace a reference rate in a hedge, that would terminate hedge accounting. But we've found that there are certain circumstances when governments need to replace LIBOR in the hedge, even though they intend to keep the hedging relationship economically the same. So the next step in the project is to get your feedback. The exposure draft is posted on GASB.org, and we'd love to hear your thoughts on it by November 27th. After that, we'll take your comments back to the board, make any changes that are needed, and hopefully issue the final guidance in the first quarter of next year so that it's out there as governments start to tackle LIBOR replacement.